Fayetteville, North Carolina, 210,000 residents, comprising the state's sixth largest municipality. In addition to its numerous All-America City awards, Fayetteville is known nationally for its proximity to two of the country's largest military installations, Fort Bragg and Pope Air Force Base. However, the completion of a groundbreaking smart grid pilot involving IBM, Consert, and the Fayetteville Public Worlds Commission is bringing more national attention. The pilot's successful completion was announced at a press conference held at the Fayetteville Public Worlds Commission on September 21st.
The Consert CEO once described the utility grid as the world's largest machine with the world's smallest brain. And in order for it to become smarter, it's got to have more intelligence. And that's what IBM is bringing to all kinds of solutions in the context of Smarter Planet. In this case, we're actually building out a pilot for a smarter grid. And this is a pilot that has about 100 participants. And when you extend it out to, say, something the size of North Carolina with 12 million or so in population, you're suddenly going to have millions of homes, millions of businesses that are all tied into the smart grid.
During the 6-month pilot, Consert worked closely with the Fayetteville Public Worlds Commission to outfit a total of 100 businesses and local homes with controllers placed on high-energy consuming devices. Using Verizon 3G wireless, as well as traditional connections, participants were able to check on and adjust energy consumption. The average savings, up to 20% on monthly bills. In addition, real-time energy monitoring and modifications allowed for calculating carbon savings at the device level. And all of this is achieved without impacting customer lifestyle or comfort. The results of the Smart Grid pilot were encouraging to the numerous public officials attending the press conference.
North Carolina is ranked as one of the highest in energy consumption in the United States, and so this is particularly important to us, I think. In 2007, we became the first state in the Southeast to adopt a renewable energy and energy efficiency portfolio standard for our investor-owned utilities. And so things we can do to be the leader in this, I think, will be invaluable to our investor-owned utilities and to the people of North Carolina.
For Consert officials, IBM's combination of industrial-strength enterprise data solutions and unrivaled security is the key to the pilot and its eventual scalability across North Carolina and the United States.
We see IBM as critical to our solution, and it sort of serves as the bedrock and competitive advantage that we have at Consert. It serves as the enterprise-wide solution. We use DB2, very scalable, available. We're also using Tivoli to be able to really perform the analytics that we'd like to perform in order to provide the value to both the utility and the consumer that we would like to, as well as WebSphere and WebSphere MQ. We wanted to be able to have and be able to handle all the interactions with the customers through a web portal. At the same time, we don't want to compromise security, so WebSphere MQ certainly ensures that we can accomplish those facts.
State officials see benefits to the long-term health of North Carolina's economy, as well as leveraging use of federal stimulus dollars from the pilot.
The state has received a little over $2 million from the Department of Energy to advance all sorts of renewable energy, energy efficiency sorts of activities. The governor beginning of the summer announced the priorities for how we were going to spend that money, and it was to help homeowners here in North Carolina improve the efficiency of their homes and to adopt renewable efficiency if they so chose. It was to help businesses do the same, to improve their efficiency, lower their bills, and to adopt renewable energy efficiency.
For IBMers throughout the world, the success of the Fayetteville, North Carolina Smart Grid pilot is just another example of IBM's Smarter Planet initiative in action.
You take a look at water management, traffic management, energy management, all of these kinds of solutions have not really changed significantly from the way they were initially designed and implemented 50, 100, 200 years ago. And the ability to bring in the capabilities of real-time data analysis, ability to influence what's going on in real time across these very, very large-scale systems is what Smarter Planet's all about. It's actually about expanding the scope of what IBM is doing into very, very non-traditional spaces.
This is Don Peterson for IBM Communications.